Hello guys, it's Esther and we will be drawing a candy cane. So let's draw a U, a long U upside down. And this will help you make an even candy cane. So we are going to divide it in half. And then make the bottom almost touching the middle. And then the top part. And there it goes. And then we're gonna curve it and then go up. Now mine looks a little bit funny, so you can change the shape since you're using the pencil. I'm gonna make it a little bit lower, and then you can just erase. Alright, now we're gonna go over with the marker, and just be careful and do it slowly. And then connect to the top. Alright, now I'm gonna do a little face, so I just do 2 little eyes. And then add the little smile. Okay, now add the stripes. And you can add them thick, or you can put them in there very thin, depending on how you want, or make a pattern. And then erase every pencil mark that you have. Then just color it in. Yours can be the red one and white, or it can be any color that you want it. And that's your candy cane. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. And for more video ideas, updates, and sneak peeks, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Esther's Incon. Thank you.